In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Microsoft Teams chat. Whether you've sent something by mistake or simply want to clean up your chat history, this straightforward process will guide you through each step effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Teams, launch your Teams application, or visit the Microsoft Teams website on your computer. Ensure you are logged in with your appropriate credentials to access the necessary functionalities for your chats. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section of Teams. You can find this by looking at the sidebar or the main navigation menu depending on your view settings. Clicking on Chat will open up your recent conversations, providing you with an overview of all your ongoing interactions. Now take a moment to locate the message you wish to delete within your chat list. It could be a recent message or something from a conversation a little further back. This is crucial, as choosing the right message is the first step in removing it effectively. After identifying the message, direct your attention to the right-hand side of that message. You'll see three little dots appear. These dots are more than just a design element. They represent a menu that gives you a variety of options related to the message. Hover over these dots and give them a click. A drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. From this menu, look for the Delete option. This button is your key to removing the message from the chat. Go ahead and click on Delete. Once you do this, the message will be erased from your chat log, smoothing out any hiccups in your conversation or removing any text that you no longer deem necessary. At this point, you might wonder what happens after deletion. Typically, once you delete a message in Microsoft Teams, it is removed from your view and the view of others in the chat, though this might depend on your organization's policies. It's a useful feature for maintaining a clean and organized communication record within your work or personal teams. In conclusion, that's all you need to know about deleting a message in Microsoft Teams chat. We've walked through accessing Teams, finding your chat, selecting the message, and finally deleting it with just a few simple clicks. Remember, communication tools like Teams are designed to enhance productivity and organization, and knowing how to navigate these features efficiently can greatly enhance your experience. So next time you need to tidy up your chats, you'll be able to do so confidently and quickly. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials soon.